Hello and welcome to our in-depth exploration of the beginning of the universe. In this video, we'll be delving into the history of our universe and the scientific theories that have been developed to explain its origins. The universe is all of space and time, including all matter and energy within it. It's vast and complex, but we're going to focus on its beginning. Our story begins with the most widely accepted theory for how the universe began, the Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory states that the universe began as a singularity, a point of infinite density and temperature. This singularity contained all of the matter and energy that would eventually become the universe as we know it. At some point, about 13.8 billion years ago, the singularity began to rapidly expand and cool. This expansion is what we call the Big Bang. As the universe expanded and cooled, it became less dense and the first atoms began to form. The first atoms were hydrogen and helium, which are the most basic elements in the universe. Over time, gravity caused clouds of gas and dust to clump together, forming the first stars and galaxies. These galaxies then continued to grow and evolve over billions of years. One important thing to note is that the Big Bang Theory is supported by a wide range of evidence. For example, we can observe the cosmic microwave background radiation, a faint glow of radiation that fills the universe and is thought to be leftover from the Big Bang. In addition, astronomers have observed the redshift of light from distant galaxies, which indicates that they're moving away from us and supports the idea of an expanding universe. But how do we know that the universe began with the Big Bang? One piece of evidence is the abundance of helium in the universe. The Big Bang Theory predicts that the universe should contain a specific amount of helium, and observations match this prediction. Another piece of evidence comes from the cosmic microwave background radiation. This radiation is thought to be a remnant of the heat released during the Big Bang, and its temperature and distribution across the sky match the predictions of the Big Bang Theory. Of course, the Big Bang Theory is just that, a theory. There are still many mysteries surrounding the beginning of the universe that we're still trying to understand. For example, we don't yet know what caused the singularity to begin expanding, or what dark matter and dark energy are. Despite these mysteries, the Big Bang Theory remains our best explanation for the beginning of the universe based on the available evidence. Now, let's take a closer look at the timeline of the universe. After the Big Bang, the universe continued to expand and cool. After a few minutes, the temperature dropped enough for protons and neutrons to combine and form the first atomic nuclei. Over time, the universe continued to cool and expand, and eventually, after about 380,000 years, it became cool enough for electrons to combine with atomic nuclei, forming the first atoms. At this point, the universe was filled with a diffuse gas of hydrogen and helium. But gravity began to take hold, causing the gas to clump together and form the first stars and galaxies. Over the next several billion years, the stars and galaxies continued to grow and evolve. The earliest galaxies were small and irregular, but over time they merged together to form larger and more complex structures. About 4.5 billion years ago, our own solar system formed from a cloud of gas and dust. Over time, life emerged on Earth, and eventually, humans evolved and began to explore the universe. Today, the universe continues to expand, and we're still learning more about its origins and evolution. Thanks to advances in technology and our continued curiosity, we're